putting their green thumbs to work. Battery Creek High School agriculture students will be selling these plants they've been growing in the school's greenhouse to the community. Back in January, the students planted more than 15 different types of plants.
I just like seeing the progress over time. So like at first they were just seeds and like now they're all grown. I think that's cool.
Over the past 3 months, students have been learning how to properly care for the plants. From watering and fertilizing to other essential tasks, they're developing valuable hands-on skills in agriculture.
We would make sure that they get watered enough every 2 weeks. We come in and fertilize them, and the ones that cannot get their leaves wet, we make sure that those leaves stay dry, and we make sure that there's nothing wrong with any of the plants.
We check the soil. If it's too dry, we'll transfer them, and we water them often.
The students are excited to sell both potted and hanging plants, giving the community a chance to see what they've been learning in class. Prices range from $2 to $10.
It makes me happy because they see that what we can accomplish at school and what we are bringing into the real world.
I think that it shows how hard students can actually work, and I think that people are going to see that.
All proceeds from the greenhouse sale will go directly to the school's Future Farmers of America Club. At Battery Creek High School, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.